most powerful person, or only mother will be the most powerful person, is not the criteria. But if you look at it, who is the most powerful? Is the one who's taking responsibility. Everybody has to listen to that. Whether it's the institute, whether in the institute, whether it's your society, whether it's your country, the rule is same. Whosoever takes more responsibility is more powerful. We have seen in India, there have been prime minister who was not taking much responsibility and they did not have that much power also. Could you notice that? है ना? उनको पद तो मिल गया, पद मिलने से नहीं कुछ होता. There might be some people who might be in top of affairs anywhere. It's not that criteria. What can make them powerful is taking responsibility. Anybody, even at the lower level, if they are taking responsibility, then everybody has to listen to that. There's no choice. Are you getting it? Yeah. So responsibility equals powers, and opposite is non-responsive, not taking responsibility makes you weak, complain. Who are the people who complains normally? Just look around. कौन लोग कंप्लेन करेंगे? जो किसी चीज की जिम्मेदारी लेते ही नहीं है. जो घर में कभी खाना नहीं बनाते ना, वही नमक का कंप्लेन करते हैं. अरे नमक इसमें ठीक नहीं है, इसमें ये ठीक नहीं है. जो खाना बनाते हैं, अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत 19-20 तो होता ही है जब करोगे तो. Whenever you do something, there will be something little better, something little less, and you can adjust it. But you won't complain it. कौन कंप्लेन करता है? जो काम नहीं करता. जो काम करता है वो उसको एडजस्ट करके उसको ठीक करा देता है. Are you getting it? समझ में आया? अभी कौन कंप्लेन, अभी देखोगे तो पता चलता है कि हाँ देखो वो कंप्लेन कर रहा है या वो कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं या ऐसे कर रहे हैं. क्यों? उनको जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेनी, सिर्फ कंप्लेन करना है. That's why there are very few people who take responsibility, but many people filled with people who only complain and complain and complain, and they join the bandwagon. कंप्लेन करने के लिए, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है, बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है, बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है. अरे भाई वो व्यक्ति कुछ तो कर रहा है, तुम तो वो भी नहीं कर रहे हो, सिर्फ कंप्लेन कर रहे हो. Yeah? Do you get this point? Do you get this point? Okay, clap, 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 clap. Okay. Then also there are two positions. है ना? लाइफ में क्या होता है, एक तो हमारी कुछ जिम्मेदारियां हैं और एक हमारी नीड्स हैं. We are always having this, so many things we take responsibility for, and so many times we have so many needs. So there are people who have very high needs, बहुत जरूरतें हैं, but they take very little responsibility. वो जिम्मेदारी बड़ी कम लेते हैं, पर जरूरतें उनकी बहुत बढ़ा के रखी हैं. ऐसा फोन चाहिए, ऐसी गाड़ी चाहिए, ऐसी जगह खाना खाना है, ऐसा रहना है, ऐसे कपड़े पहनने. जरूरतें बड़ी है पर जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेते. तो उनका लाइफ कैसे होता है? उनका लाइफ होता है मिजरी वाला, because they do all kind of wrong things just to get their needs fulfilled. जरूरतें पूरी करने के लिए सारा उल्टा सीधा तिगड़म करते रहते हैं. Their life is like hell. अगर किसी की लाइफ हेल होती है, इन्हीं टाइप की लाइफ लोगों की हेल होती है, बिकॉज उन्होंने जरूरतें इतनी बढ़ा ली और जिम्मेदारी नहीं लेते. यस, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग सम पीपल लाइक दैट. अराउंड देखोगे तो कुछ मिल जाएंगे ऐसे महानुभव जिनकी जरूरतें बढ़ा के रखते पर जिम्मेदारी लेते नहीं. ओके, नाउ देयर आर सेकंड टाइप ऑफ पीपल. दे हैव बिग नीड्स एंड दे टेक बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. जरूरतें भी हैं और उस हिसाब से वो उसकी जिम्मेदारी भी लेते हैं. तो उन बेचारों को क्या होता है, उनका पूरा लाइफ स्ट्रगल में ही चला जाता है. इफ दे लुक बैक, दे ओनली फाइंड, अरे पूरे जीवन में क्या किया, पूरे जीवन में सिर्फ जरूरतें पूरी करते करते ही निकल गए. यू डोंट नीड टू राइट. आपको लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. आप बस मेरे साथ रह के अगर आपने वो एक पॉइंट भी आपके अंदर चला गया ना, उसी से लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म होगी. लिखने से बढ़िया तो आपको बड़ी सारी किताबें मिल जाएंगी, उससे लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं होगी. पढ़ने से अच्छा करने से नहीं होगी. अगर कुछ घुस गया अभी ना, और घुसने के लिए आपको मेरे साथ होना पड़ेगा. If you want, even if a fraction of the thing enters into you, it is enough to make transformation. But volumes of books, you knowing very well, is not going to make any difference to your life. फर्क उसी में पड़ेगा जो आपके अंदर चला जाएगा, और उसके लिए आपको मेरे साथ रहना पड़ेगा. लिखना नहीं, just be with me. Okay. तो हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? Who will tell me what we were talking?
I mean, prosperity plays vital role. I mean, whatever we have, I mean, needs are there, and then everything is there.
Correct. No, the second type of people are those who have big needs and
big needs and big responsibilities.
Yes.
So their whole life goes in struggle. पूरी की पूरी जिंदगी वो अपनी जरूरतों को पूरी करने में ही बिता देते हैं.
Yeah.
And by the end they see, oh, what we have done in our life? We have just fulfilled our needs.
Yes.
Now there is a third category of people who have very little needs, but they take big responsibilities, very high responsibilities. Now these are the people who are actually living life more than life itself. वही लोग सही में जीवन जीते हैं क्योंकि उनको जो करना है वो कर रहे हैं, अपनी सिर्फ जरूरतों को पूरी करने के लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहे. They have grown above. वो उससे ऊपर उठ चुके हैं जरूरतों से. अभी इनको जो करना है वो कर रहे हैं. Can you think of few people who are doing this? Can you name some people who have no needs or minimal needs?
APJ Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekananda.
Yes, Swami Vivekananda, APJ Abdul Kalam. Who else?
Modi ji, PM Modi.
PM Modi ji. Okay, who else?
Gandhi ji also, sir.
Gandhi ji.
Gandhi
Yes.
ji.
Then Mother Teresa. Yeah.
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Lal Bahadur Shastri. You know,
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Lal Bal.
Guruji.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many
Swami
people.
Guruji.
Okay. You know, I'll tell you one person.
Swami
You know,
Ramdev.
there was no in like I know in South America, in Colombia, there was like wars for like, you know, guerrilla wars between government and like guerrillas for nearly 50 years. So उसमें लाखों लोग मरे, lakhs of people were died, so many like, you know, millions of people suffering. There was one person. So, am I audible? अच्छा ये break क्यों हो रहा है? Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir, not audible.
Okay now,
So-
Swamiji.
Okay, so there was this one person who went, or he does not belong to the country. He went,
Breaking. Swamiji, voice is breaking.
spoke to fraction. He spoke to. Oh, it's frozen. It's frozen. Okay, wait. Am I back?
Yes, Swamiji. We can hear you, but
Yeah.
Video is not available.
Video is not there. Okay, let me see.
now it's good.
Okay. Okay. So that person, he went out of the way. He spoke to those guerrillas. उनके सारे लीडर से बात किया और उनको बताया कि भाई how they should be doing it in the non-violent ways. And then he spoke to the government. उन दोनों को एग्री करवाया, वहां से पीस प्रोसेस शुरू करवाया. And that president of Colombia got the Nobel Peace Prize of it. ठीक है? That person. Now that person did not stay here. वो वेनेजुएला भी जा रहे, वो पाकिस्तान भी जाके कर रहे, वो जहां पे सीरिया के अंदर, you know, जहां पे भी anywhere he sees there's violence, he ensures he goes and make a difference into that place. You can, I mean, that person deserves a clap. I'll tell you the name later on. You know, पर ये है, that person says that I want society to be violent free. And he said violence के लिए क्या करना है? सबसे ज्यादा लोग अगर लगते हैं जो इस टेंडेंसी के, वो सारे prisons में होते हैं. And he had made effort to transform nearly 1 million prisoners, 10 लाख कैदियों तक पहुंच के उनके अंदर transformation करवा दिया, so that they feel what they have done is wrong, not the court order. They feel what they have done, they're wrong. They take responsibility and they feel change and they want to correct it. You can clap for that also. That person has made few thousand terrorists with AK-47 grenades to surrender their arms and go for helping people and make a transformation. You know, deserve a clap. अच्छा, इतना ही नहीं है. That person says कि मेरे को तो violent tendency हर किसी के दिल में से निकालनी है. And then he had introduced this Art of Living course. So you know who I'm talking about. I'm talking about His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Nobody has asked him to do anything, but he just said because he thinks, he feels the whole world belongs to him and he has to do something for them. Acha, itna nahi. Abhi now, when he sees farmers doing suicide, he said ki kyun pani nahi hai, drought hai, he said we have to do something. So he started this thing to revive the dead rivers. जो पेपर में कभी वहां पे पानी बहता था, अभी कुछ नहीं है. He revived nearly 43 dead rivers to become a proper full flowing stream, you know, affecting millions of people, getting water, getting good crops, family becoming prosperous. Itna nahi hai. He want to do something for education also. So he said कि there are so many tribal and rural people who have, like, schools तो हैं पर लोगों के अंदर पढ़ाने का भाव नहीं है. So he took initiative and he started schools which is teaching nearly 75,000 students free education, free pickup, free books, free everything. You know, deserve a clap. Then he said we have to do something for Mother Nature. So one year we said that, okay, we are going to do the UN goals. We took it on ourselves and we were able to do nearly 40% of the UN goal only by Art of Living, by planting. I think we planted
Timmamma, in Karnataka, Timmamma, she planted more than some million plants.
Yeah.
Timmakka.
Timmakka. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Art of Living, we did, I think that year we did about 35 million trees. And every year we do millions of trees. And we do, we have training for chemical free farming. क्योंकि अभी हम धरती को इतना रसायन डाल के, केमिकल डाल के, we have made it, you know, पंजाब से तो I know that trains भर के कैंसर की जाती हैं. Why? Because of all spreading chemicals and pesticides. So chemical free farming के लिए we have already trained lakhs of farmers, you know, so that everybody can get like good healthy fruits, vegetables and everything. Yeah, you can give a clap. Plus so many things. He's reviving Ayurveda. He's reviving our ancient science. He's reviving every possible thing you can think of. He's reviving, and still like it's just happening. अभी तो जैसे बोलते हैं ना, अभी तो snowball is still starting. Is not even like come into full flow what all work he has done. But nobody has asked him to do anything. He just feels that everybody belongs to him. And he's just, he said अपना एक हाथ दूसरे हाथ के लिए करता है, उसके लिए करना थोड़ी बोलते हैं. It's just natural for one person to do something. So that what he is doing. अच्छा, अब हमें पता चल गया responsibility gives power. Yeah, we know that the more stressful we are, the more belongingness happens. But फिर भी हमारे को responsibility लेने का मन नहीं करता. हमें क्या करता है, अरे ये तो ले लिया जिम्मेदारी तो और बोझा पड़ जाएगा, है ना? Sometimes that's why we don't want to take responsibility. अरे कौन और झंझट, 10 चीजें ऑलरेडी सर पे पड़ी है और कौन लेगा. तो एक छोटा सा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. Are you ready to do some exercise? Okay. तो क्या करते हैं, आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं. Let's keep our eyes closed.